We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C220 AMG style Sport Plus, finished in gleaming white with diamond cut style alloy wheels which are unmarked. Just going to buy some centre caps for them to really set it off. This is a limited edition model. It's got the rear spoiler, AMG body styling kit, the upgraded alloys. You get the red piping stitching, Alcantara leather seats, red seat belts. Really does all complement it very well. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, automatic obviously, climate control, ISOFIX rear seats. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.